Are you ready for the next game changer in AI? Get ready to witness the unveiling of GPT-4, the latest AI language model from OpenAI that is set to revolutionize the tech industry. With its incredible capabilities to generate not only text but also images and videos, GPT-4 is expected to take natural language processing and artificial intelligence to new heights. Imagine a future where chatbots can communicate using not just words but also images and videos, thanks to the powerful technology of GPT-4. While ChatGPT, which uses latest GPT 3.5, has its own knowledge cutoff date, GPT-4 is rumored to have a training data set of 100 trillion parameters, which is a staggering 571 times larger than its predecessor GPT-3's 175 billion parameter training data. This is expected to produce even more accurate and sophisticated outputs, making GPT-4 a game-changer in the AI space. Andreas Braun, the Chief Technology Officer at Microsoft Germany, recently confirmed that GPT-4 will be unveiled in the third week of March. Just imagine the possibilities of GPT-4, from language translation to writing entire articles. The potential uses for this technology are endless. Visualize the excitement and anticipation that GPT-4 is generating within the industry, as its development and progress in the months to come will be eagerly followed by experts. Its unveiling at AI in Focus is a significant event for the tech industry, and it is expected to generate considerable interest and discussion. With such a vast amount of training data being used to create GPT-4, it is poised to become a crucial development in the natural language processing space. Its potential applications are varied and numerous, making it a highly anticipated development in the field of AI. In conclusion, be prepared for the unveiling of GPT-4, the next-generation AI language model that is set to change the game. With its capabilities to generate not only text but also images and videos, GPT-4 is expected to revolutionize the way we communicate with technology. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, leave a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments section. Make sure to subscribe for the GPT updates. Have a great day.